Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change phone number on Coinbase. So the first thing you need to know is I don't have a Coinbase account because this is a more complicated process to get this account. But here I got for you some screenshots, some photos for explain to you the process and explain to you the better I can. So the first step is when you go to your application of Coinbase. Here in the principal page, you need to go to the left superior corner in these three lines. You need to pick here, and after that you need to go to the perfil y configuración. This is a Spanish account, so I translate to you this part. Here set profile and settings. You need to pick here, and after that you need to go to in this profile and settings. You need to go to the phone number option. This is the 5 option, I remember. And here in the número de teléfono, phone number, you need to put here in add a phone number, agregar un número de teléfono. This is what here said. Add your phone number, and you choose your code number of the country where you go, where you stay, and you pick here. You put your phone number, and that's it. If you want to change this number, the only thing you need to do is eliminate it and repeat the process again. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.